Hey everybody, so today I wanted to do a craft, something that I've done in the past, and I figured out new things to do with it. So it's gonna take a little bit of practice, and this you only do if you can't, if you want to get those balloons with the inserts and the loaded balloons or whatever the case is, and you don't have, like, you're not trying to either pay for it or maybe you just don't have a way of doing it. So this is my way of doing it. I got a whole bunch of streamer here, and what I'm doing is kind of like first making it into a little something here and try to tuck it in there. This is like the cheapest way to do it. And sometimes you just got to get creative. If you're trying to make a nice little gift for somebody and you're not trying to or you don't have it to spend the kind of money where you could just go buy it like that already made, this is like my budget way of doing things. Because of course you could get somebody to do it, but sometimes you may just want to do it yourself, or you don't have the money right now to do it yourself. And there's a lot of people right now that are struggling. It doesn't keep you from living your life. So as you can see, it's getting stuffed in there. And I'm sure you can see you can kind of tell where I'm going with this here. If you have a thinner object, it's better to get something thinner. Something like usually I use plastic chopsticks because they thin and they smooth, so they slide in better. And let me see if I can get the other trick. So if you want to make a really beautiful arrangement, this is just me doing a really quick one right here. Let's get it all in there. I'm going to stuff it into the neck of the balloon to try to get it into the bulb. That's if you have a lot of streamers. And this is all to prepare how it's going to look at the end result. I learned a lot of these things when when my son was younger, and we wanted to make a big birthday party, and we didn't have the budget to really do the stuff that other people had the amount of money to do. So we learned how to do our own ideas. My sister taught me some other tricks that I'll do again. I'll do another arrangement that way. And then this way you'll see another way of doing a balloon arrangement that you literally, it's like no joke. Like you can go to Dollar Tree and make this, and you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, I literally paid $2 for this entire arrangement. Meanwhile, if you pay somebody, you're gonna pay a lot of money because they're gonna pay you for their time. Not that it's a bad thing, but sometimes you just don't have it. Let's get this little piece, and I'm gonna just cut it because we have a lot in there anyway. And I'm gonna show you the funnel trick. So here we have the funnel, right? And the funnel trick, like I said, we get this all in there and tuck it in there real good. Tuck it as much as you can. Tuck it as much as you can. Okay? And we have the entire bag of confetti. I don't know where this came from. Somebody bought it and left it at a party, and they were like, you want it? I said, oh yeah, I'll take that. And so we're not going to do a lot because this is just for showing purposes. Throw some confetti in there and see how far you can get it. Let me see if anything's even going inside, right? It looks like nothing is going in there. Because these balloons are a little bit little, they small, they're not that big. I don't think anything's going in there. But guess what I got? We can't use this confetti, but guess what I got? I have glitter dust. So you can't get it one way, you make it work the other way, right? We're going to throw this out, and I'm going to take this, and we're going to open up this confetti. The glitter. It's literally sand glitter. It's tiny, tiny, tiny little Micro dust, that's what this is. Let me open it up. I don't want it all over me. So I'm going to try to, although I did get it all over me like last week or something. Okay, open up some more. All right, so here we go, guys. Let me be careful with this right here. And hold it. And since this is smaller, it'll get in. I don't know if you can see that, but it got in. Throw it away. Dip it all in there. It's all in there. And now we take it off and get ready to have, let's bring it all out and blow it up. You know what? I might have to put my mouth on it. I don't want to. But anyway, let's see. All right. So that's just like one. That's just one. And that, it has a little bit of the, oh, look. The streamer got all, see, now it's all over the balloon. But it's all over the balloon, so now you got a glittery balloon here. And this one was super hard to do. I got that balloon, I got one balloon in there. But you got two, and I guess you got two little different, I guess you can do 2 or 3 streamers. How about we try one of these balloons and then like a regular size balloon inside? No streamers, no glitter. Let's just try something else. So a regular one, right? Regular one. And let's see if we can throw this one in there. And of course, you have to tuck it in there, right? So really, what you're doing is tucking that one inside of that one. Like I said, this is only for people that don't want to go pay for it to be done. Okay, so now what we do is blow this one inside of this one. So now you got 2 balloons. Now you tie up the one inside. Tie up the one inside. Let it go in. And now blow this one. Don't blow it up too much because then it pops. I wish there was a way to put confetti in here because I would. But now you understand, like you kind of get the gist of what's happening here. So you have all these dynamics you can do by yourself. When it comes to the balloons, that you get the teddy bears inside, they have a whole system in the party store, in the party cities, that they do. They open up the balloon really wide, and the balloon is extra big. That's why they able to do that. But that's why it comes out the way that it does. Actually, this one doesn't look too bad. See, it still has the glitter dust in there, the micro dust. It looks really good from like afar. You can see how pretty it looks from over there. But let's say we do another one. Let's do a different color. See, I would do these tiny ones, but if you see the struggle to get that in there, it'll take me like 25 minutes just to throw that in there. That's how long it takes to put those balloons in there. So you really need like a regular size. Did I do a blue one? I did a yellow one. So let's do a blue one. Let's again fold it. Let's fold it as small as we can get it, right? Open up the neck of that balloon, tuck it in slowly. Leave it halfway out. Blow it. Tie it up. Don't tie up the outside balloon. Tie up the inside balloon. See? Let it go inside. Now pick this one up. And then you tie this one up. And if you do this a couple of times, I'll show you the trick. Let's do that. Let's get some tape, right? You got this one. Let's get some tape. This is regular clear tape. And here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fold it, and we're gonna take this one, and we're gonna take the glitter one, and we're gonna put it together. And that's one, right? You keep going from there. I don't know where my other masking tape is. I would have sworn it was here. I don't know where it went. So now we do it again. And you take this one, and this is where you gotta have that arrangement going on. Because notice how these two are together, right? Let me show you how these two are together. And you may want this one to go on top of that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it here. And then that's gonna go there. Now that's stuck together. And then let's get the last one. Get the last one. And like I said, this is the budget. This is the budget thing. This is the sorry. It's all in there. It's all in your face. Again, this is the clear tape. Dollar Store, Dollar Tree. They have all of this stuff. Again, I want this to go. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I want this to go. I say let's put it right here. So we're gonna put this tape. We're gonna put that tape right there, and it's gonna go here. And then you put another piece of tape right there. And if you see what I'm talking about, you literally have a balloon arrangement. And you can put that up against the wall, and here you put streamers everywhere. And you look like you got somebody professional to do this, but it was really you with the stuff from the Dollar Tree. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. I'm going to do more. If you want to see more, please ask, because I'll go ahead and do it. I'll do the stuff I used to do for my son that's going to be 30 years old now. You know, I used to do it for his birthday party. So let me know if you like the video. Thumbs up, please, and subscribe.